So the tether on my gas cap broke, and that was okay. I just dealt with it for a while, but eventually I pulled this thing off and some wind hit it and it fell off and it broke the whole thing. So I'm going to replace the whole gas cap today. And I've got a genuine Ford Motorcraft. It's always best to get the original parts. So the reason that these are better is because these seals are usually a little bit better. You don't want any gas leaking out. But the main thing I want to look at is this right here. So this is how this tether is going to snap in. So it looks like I can just grab it and kind of pull it out. Yep, just like that. So I'm going to undo this guy. I'm going to snap this in. All right. And we're set.